How do you make your energy flow? Well, we have too much stress in the body, in our mind. If things not flow well, it make you feel very sick, make you feel not healthy. You do exercise in such a way that you can relax the body. Qigong routine help you to make the energy flowing again. Today we practice Qigong routine with theme, and the theme today is flow. How do you make your energy flow? Well, sometimes we feel stuck. We feel stuck in the body and also stuck in our mind. Sometimes we feel that we have a blockage in our shoulders, in our back. We have too much stress in the body and we have too much stress in our mind. This kind of exercise, this kind of Qigong routine help you to make the energy flowing again. You do exercise in such a way that you can relax the body, to allow yourself to breathe in deep and breathe out, release tensions and let go. To make your body, your mind, to make energy flow, to circulate the energy, circulate the blood, circulate the qi, and circulate my mind, circulate my body, relaxing. Exercise in the nature is very important because for me, the nature itself has capacity and insight to make the flow naturally. The nature of life is already flowing. So in our body, in our mind, if things not flow well, stuck and make you feel very sick, make you feel not healthy. So every day, exercise to keep balance. I do regularly like that to help yourself to circulate. So the first movement we call the activate hands and legs. Okay, breathe in, right hand grab in the back of your left hand. Breathe out, left elbow. Breathe in the back of left shoulder. Breathe out another hand. In, right elbow. Out in the back of your right shoulder. In the back of your lower back. Out beside your knees. In beside ankle joints. And then stand up. Out. Let it go. Release tensions. Okay. Inhale again. Exhale. Left elbow. In the back. Left shoulder. Out. In right elbow. Out right shoulder. In lower back. Out beside your knees. In ankle joint. Out. Stand up. Let it go. Tensions and worry. Inhale again. Exhale. Left elbow. In the back. Left shoulder. Out. In right elbow. Out right shoulder. In lower back. Out beside your knees. In ankle joint. Out. Stand up. Let it go. Tensions and worry. Inhale again. Exhale. In. In. In lower back. In ankle joint. Let it go. Inhale again. Exhale. In. In. In lower back. In ankle joint. Let it go. Inhale again. Exhale. In. In. In lower back. In ankle joint. Let it go. Inhale again. Exhale. In. In. in lower back. In ankle joint. Let it go. That's wonderful. Open your palms, inhale deep. Exhale slow. Bring your mind back to the body in the present moment. And open your two palms this way. Feel free and solid with the earth. Breathe in, you feel Lower abdomen rising. Breathe out, Lower abdomen is falling. And release tensions from the whole body. Okay? So the next we call the open arms. Okay? Breathe in, join your palms together on your chest level. Feel all the air with your chest. Breathe out. Stretch your hand, open your arms with a V shape and let it go all tensions. Okay? Inhale deep. Exhale slow. Let it go all stress and worries. In. In. Release tension from your arms, okay? In. Feels so wonderful to let it go. Worries and stress on your chest. In. One more time. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. In deep. Out. Slow. Okay, so the next one we call the hand folded body curving. So two palms join it together. Your two thumbs is crossed together. Okay, breathe in. You lift your folded hand up. Bend your head backwards. Okay, until your middle fingers touch your center of your forehead. Okay, down here. In, bend your head backwards. Breathe out. Bend your head forward. Allow yourself to reach as far as you can. Okay, the best is fingers can touch the earth in the center of your 2 feet. Okay, like that. Keep your knees straight. Okay, inhale up. Bend your head backwards. Breathe out. Bend your head forward. Allow your lower back relax and your neck relax. Okay, in deep. Out slow. Let it go. Worries and tensions, anxieties down to the earth. Okay, let the earth embrace you. In. 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 Relax your lower back. Relax your hands and your neck. One more time. In. Out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms deep. Breathe out slow. Release tensions from your lower back and your chest.